Hello everyone, Church Tech Reviews back, and today's video is about a Microsoft Store not opening after a reset on your Windows computer. Your Microsoft Store may stop working due to different reasons. So this solutions also work for other problems. So this problem may occur on Windows 10, Windows 11, and other Windows operating system. So on this video, we are going to see 6 solutions to solve this problem. So let's start from solution number 1. So solution number 1 would be checking whether you have a working internet. So check whether you are connected to the internet, because if your computer or laptop is not connected to the internet, your Microsoft Store will not respond or stop working. So after checking whether your internet is working, then the second solution would be check whether your Windows operating system is up to date. If you have an outdated operating system, your Microsoft Store will stop responding. So in order to check that, click here the search icon and type here Windows Update. So here the Windows Update setting, then open it and click here check for updates. So if there will be updates, they will appear on your screen here, then download them and install, then restart your computer and check your Microsoft Store. So after updating and installing all the updates, and if your Microsoft Store will not start working again, then the third solution for this video will be check whether your date and time is correct and synced on your computer. So in order to check that, go here on the bottom corner here, then right click on it and select here adjust date and time. Here make sure set the time is automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, select here and turn it on, and then scroll down and make sure your time zone is correct, and after that click here sync now option and select here sync now, and as you can see here it's checked and it's synced. Then close your setting and check whether your Microsoft Store is working or not. If the problem still continues, then the fourth solution will be open your service section and check whether your Microsoft Store install service is in automatic and working correctly. In order to do that, again click here the search icon and type here services, then right click on it and select run as administrator. Then after that, under the service section, scroll down to the bottom and find Microsoft Store install service, so which is here the Microsoft Store install service. So here we are, so right click on it and go to here properties. Then after that, here click the startup type and select here automatic and click here apply and select here OK. Then as you can see here it changed it to automatic. Then select this option here on the top, which will help you to restart your service section. So it's restarted. Then check whether your Microsoft Store function get back or not. If it is the Microsoft Store is not responding or not opening, then solution number 5 will be running a troubleshooter. So in order to run a troubleshooter, again click here the search icon and type here settings, then open the settings. So after the setting open, then scroll down and you will find here troubleshoot. Select the troubleshoot and click here other troubleshooter. Then scroll down to the bottom and you will find Windows Store Apps option. Then select here run, which will help you to detect a problem related with the Microsoft Windows Store. So it's recommending me to sign with a Microsoft account. So I'm going to proceed here next. Then it will start detecting if there will be additional problems, and it will help you to fix the problem. And here it only says a Microsoft account required in my case, but in your case it may show you other reasons and it may fix it. So close this and close your settings section and check the Microsoft Store. If the problem again continues, then the final solution for this video will be resetting your Microsoft Store and deleting caches. So in order to do that, click here the search icon and type here ws reset. The ws reset run command, so click on it and it will start deleting caches and resetting your Microsoft Store information. This will help you fix the problem related with not opening a Microsoft Store. So after the reset, it will directly opens to the Microsoft Store as you are seeing here. So these are the solutions to fix your Microsoft Store not opening problem on Windows computer. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech Review out.